So when I say Facebook ads, let me guess the look you have on your face right now. Am I right? Until my last launch, I basically was using Facebook ads pretty much blind. But this time around, I figured out how to make Facebook ads work for me. I'm a total newbie at this, so there's gonna be no difficult lingo or vocab or understanding all of these acronyms. I'm gonna explain how I use Facebook ads in my last launch without blowing all my money and actually seeing a return on my investment. Hi, my name is Trina, and I created this channel to help creative entrepreneurs like you get on YouTube to grow. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit subscribe and tap that bell so you can get notifications every time I post videos to help you. Now, if you're anything like me, Facebook ads pretty much scared the crap out of you. You're not sure how to use them, and some of the feelings you have is one, it's pretty much like flushing your money down the toilet. Two, you've got all these other things you gotta do in your business and you just don't have time to figure out Facebook ads to actually make it work for you. Or you basically have no idea where to even start with Facebook or where your ads manager is. Trust me, I was right there with you until this last January when I went to a workshop and listened to a talk by Tara Zerker. She currently runs a membership site called Successful Ads Club, and I'll link it down below for you for more information. But in this talk, she really broke down Facebook ads in a way that I finally understood it. I took some courses before, I hired some people, I watched some YouTube videos, and it still just did not make sense to me until I listened to Tara. Now, before I jump into how I use Facebook ads and my strategy, I want to give credit where credit is due. My dear friend Janet of Janet Gwen Designs really helped me through this process as we tried to figure it out ourselves. She sells amazing marble laptop cases and hand-painted cell phone cases, so I'm going to link all of her information to her shop down below so you can check her out as well. So the first thing we did was starting way before your launch, right? You want to start building this traffic. You want to start pixeling people that you can start retargeting. So Facebook has a pixel that you can install on your landing pages, your thank you pages, your website, any type of traffic or website you have that you're sending traffic to, that pixel needs to be there. And then Facebook kind of tracks them, and this is now your warm audience, and that's going to be your cheaper audience because they already have been introduced to you. They already kind of know who you are. It's not just like some brand new person coming up to you and being like, hey, buy this from me. I got brand new lip gloss, buy it from me, right? Who are you and why are you selling this to me? So by getting this process going in advance, about 8 weeks in advance of your launch, you're starting to warm up a new audience and getting them to know you. So we created an opt-in. It was actually a challenge that I did that I started pushing 6 weeks out of my launch. But what we learned is I want to push it back to 8 weeks. And so I want to do 8 weeks before my launch, a couple opt-ins to get people warmed up, get them in my funnel, and my welcome sequence. So they get to know me, they get a couple wins. So when I ask for the sale a couple weeks down the line, they'll be ready to buy from me because I've already helped them with all this free content, right? Now, I know I talked a little bit about warm audience, so let me talk about the two different types of audiences real quick. Warm audience and cold audience. So cold audience is a brand new audience to you. They may not have never heard from you. So you can pick an audience on Facebook like anybody who likes Marie Forleo or anybody who likes Amy Porterfield. They may have no idea who you are, but it may be your target audience, right? So for me, my target audience is creative business owners around the ages of 25 to 55 who are, working in their own business. So it's pretty much the same target audience as Marie Forleo. So then I could target her audience, but they may have never heard from me, right? So those types of audience are going to be a little more costly for me to get, meaning every time somebody signs up for my opt-in, it's going to cost me something, right? So the more warm your audience is, the more they know who you are, that's going to bring your costs down because they're going to already know who you are and they're going to sign up faster than a cold audience who never knew who you were before, okay? I know, right? Facebook ads. Why do we got to do this? But trust me, it really helps in the long run with your business. And the more you do it and the longer out that you plan before your launch, you can really get that cost per lead down. The next biggest thing that we did was test. So Tara teaches us to test 3 different types of copy long copy, medium copy, and short copy. You never know what your audience is going to respond to. So that's the first thing that you want to start testing. And then once it reaches about 1,000 people, you're going to see what your audience is responding to. That's the copy that you're going to want to use in the next phase. So the next testing phase is the graphic. So you want to test a photo of yourself, a raw photo, maybe a stock photo, and then a photo with some text on it. 3 different types of graphics to see what your audience is going to respond to, and using the text that you already tested. So once you get that out and you see which one wins, then it's time to test your headline. All right? And your headline's the little sentence below your ad that makes people want to click. So you want to have 3 of those headlines, test them, see which one wins, and now you have the ad that you want to put your money in and put it out to the world. This is just really going to help you bring the cost down when you start using this particular ad that your warm audience already responded to. So now when you put it in front of your cold audience, hopefully they respond the same way because you want the similar audiences, right? What questions do you still have about Facebook ads? I know I'm still not the expert at all of this. I've used it this time around, but let me know any questions you have down below. I can share from my experience and what I've done that has worked for me. And if you've used Facebook ads, let me know any of the tips that you have down below. Let's help a sister out, right? Now don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell notification to catch all of my videos to help you get on YouTube to grow your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.